Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you onboarding process for the bulk file. There are two scenarios: when everything goes smoothly and when something's not going right. In the second scenario usually is when you use a different email on your purchase and saved your file to Google Drive with a different email address. First of all, when you click a link on your purchase notice, you get directed here. This is the page where you need to make a copy of your file to your Google Drive, and you need to be logged into Google Drive with the email that matches the email from your purchase. Otherwise, this won't work. You can work it around if you saved it to the different Google Drive. You can share it between your Google accounts and then make a copy onto the correct Google email account. The sheet will work only for the one Google Drive linked to the purchase email. So you need to click make a copy and save it on your Google Drive. Once you open the file saved on your Google Drive, you have instructions to follow. If you want to use a different Google Drive email than the one that's saved on the purchase note, just email me and we will update the email to the Google Drive you want to use. So first, you need to click Authorize button to allow Google Drive to run scripts. You can see a pop-up on the Google Sheet that asks you to allow permission to run the scripts. It's the same for all scripts. It's a standard procedure. You need to click Advanced and at the bottom go to Base Managing and continue again. This needs to be done once and you won't need to do it again on this version of the BulkFlow. So now you've authorized the scripts to run. You can see the notice that no matching email found. Wait a few minutes or try again. Check if you are logged into the same Google account Gmail as used when you were buying this tool. This example is for the email that doesn't match. That's why we see this pop up. And one notice, depending on what web browser are you using. For example, on Microsoft Edge, you need to click the authorize button again. On Chrome, after script authorization, this pop-up showed up automatically. But anyways, it will work the same when you click again authorize and when your email is not matching. Let's hop on and see how it looks like when we are on the Google account that matches the email from purchase. Right now I'm on the Google Drive account. It's the same as email from purchase. So when I click authorize button, script is running and we can see this menu showed up. There's only the sheets menu because we don't have any sheets, and the menu is built up based on the sheets that are uploaded. For example, if you are uploading only the sponsored products campaigns tab, it will build up the menu only for this one spreadsheet. Once we are authorized and everything is working correctly, we can import bulk file from the Amazon platform. To do it, you need to go to the sponsored ads campaigns and click bulk operations. The tool works only for sponsored products, so we can deselect everything else. And now we can select the date range. I usually do my bid optimization based on 21 days. So 3 weeks will be 1, 2, 3. So this is the last 3 weeks. Then you hit create spreadsheet. Once the bulk file is generated, sometimes it takes 15 minutes, sometimes 5, and sometimes when the Amazon servers are busy, it can take even up to an hour. I've done it already at hand, so you can click download. Once the file is generated, click this download button and download the file to your computer. Once you've done this, you go back to BulkFlow tool. You need to click File, Import, and Upload, Browse, and select the file from your computer. I've already done it to speed up the process. So I can click Resend and select Recent File. Now here you need to select Insert New Sheets and click Import. At this moment, it depends on how big the file is, meaning how many campaigns you have and how many negative keywords you have. The more you have, the bigger the file is and the longer it takes to upload the file. Okay, it takes really long. So sometimes Google Sheets gets frozen when you upload really large files like mine. Oh, now it showed up. So it logged in. But what I wanted to show you is if it takes too long, you can always copy the URL, open new tab, paste it, and open the sheet in new tab. This speeds up the process quite. So yes, once we see the portfolios and sponsored products campaigns tabs at the bottom, it means we have the file fully loaded. Here on the right hand side, quite often you can see the blue line. So you need to wait until this blue line is gone. This means Google processed the file you uploaded. Once you have the sheets uploaded, you click the authorize button again. This will build up the menus based on the current sheets. Now we can see SP ads menu showed up and we have all options here. We are set to go. The onboarding process is done and we can move on to the next steps, which will be shown in the next videos.